Hello everyone. In this video we will use the consolidate option. It means that we will just consolidate option is used to combine multiple ranges to one specific range. Okay, for example, you want to just join the data of these three tables to one table. Okay, so how to do it? Let's come here to the data tab. In the data tab, come here to the data tools. In the data tool here, click on the consolidate option. After clicking here, now let's move it to the right side. Here we will just select our data, okay, for the reference. Let's select first of all our this data. After selecting that, let's press add. See, let's press add. See, that has added. Now let's select the second table also. Let's select it and press add. That has added. Now let's select the third table also. So after selecting that, now let's add it. So that has added. Okay, now here we will just use the top row. Okay, our table has top row. Select it, and also the left column, it means this column. Okay, check it also and press OK. See, the data has joined. Make it like this. Okay, the keyboard in here, let's just copy this header and paste it here. Control V. So after pasting it, now let's check it. Okay, so first of all we have the keyboard. So we have two values for the keyboard. I think, yeah, just one keyboard. Okay, 100. Okay, line for line we have just one. Yeah, line we have one value 30, spray 130, battery 401, and mouse for mouse we have two values. Okay, 100 in this table and 120 in this table. Okay, so it should be 220. Look at this. Okay, so the data from these different tables are joined to one tables. Okay, now we can find the total also. Click here and just come here to the home and press R to sum. Press enter. So this is the total of our sales. So it is all about the consolidate option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.